Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to the power grid in Mon Bazou. First, you need to contact the electric company. Grab your home phone, located next to your computer, and dial 555-4743. Remember to make this call between 7:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. for it to be successful. After making the call, patiently wait a few in-game days for their response to arrive. Once the letter arrives, head to the city's post office and check box number 69 to retrieve it. This crucial document will inform you of the connection cost, which is a significant $28,998. If you don't have enough funds, focus on earning money. Excellent ways include selling maple syrup, chopping and selling firewood, or participating in exciting night races. With sufficient funds, it's time to finalize your request. Carefully sign the letter you received from the electric company. This signature confirms your commitment to connecting to the power grid. Then, proceed to the post office and place the signed letter into the designated courier slot. It is absolutely vital that you possess the full $28,998 in your account when you send it. After successfully sending the signed letter, a 5-day waiting period begins for the power grid installation. During this time, you'll notice new power poles gradually appearing, extending towards your property. Once the 5 days are complete, your home will be fully connected, providing reliable electricity. Remember, you will receive bills twice a month, with the amount depending on your overall electricity consumption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.